Okay, so here I've got the predicate calculator. I'm just going to be demonstrating something I found roughly an hour ago. Okay, so iterate any positive number plus a given number, say, I don't know, 17, factorial, and then a factorial of n minus 2, in this case 15. Okay, and we end up, yeah, that's enough. Okay, you get a random number. You don't need to pay attention to it too much, but then the whole thing is you need to iterate that, which means replacing the original starting value with the last answer you got. And you do that. And what do you get? 17. Just like you've got it here. I know, it's probably like an easier way of putting it. I haven't really gotten into that. I basically just figured it out. Yeah, and then I had dinner. I came back to it. And yeah, made this video. So if you have anything to say, like, I don't know, a proof as to why it happens, then yeah, go ahead and send it to me. But that's what I found, and it's pretty cool.